Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world, especially with BNB, you know how exciting it can be to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw BNB from Trust Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and a Bitmart account set up. Always double check that your accounts are secure. Use two-factor authentication to protect your funds. Now, open up your Trust Wallet app on your phone or browser. Navigate to the BNB token in your wallet. It's usually under the BNB Smart Chain or BEP20 network. If you don't see it, you might need to add it manually. Next, head over to your Bitmart account. Log in and go to the deposit section for BNB. You'll get a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully because accuracy is key here. Back in Trust Wallet, select the BNB you want to withdraw. Tap on Send or Withdraw, then paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field. Don't forget to double-check the network. It should be BEP20 or BNB Smart Chain to match. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave some for network fees. They can vary, so check current rates to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction preview. Review it one last time before approving with your wallet's security features. After you send it, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Bitmart and check your balance. Your BNB should be there. A quick tip for 2025: crypto regulations might have updated, so always verify fees and any new requirements on official sites. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.